Today I'm doing sort of an impromptu video on how to create this pom-pom crochet bobble trim. And I am not what I would call a crocheter. I don't know how to read patterns, and I don't even know if I'm doing it properly. But I can make this, and so I'll show you what I do to do that. So you'd work some chain stitches here, and when you're ready to make your bobble, go ahead and go back about 2 stitches, pull it through, and try to keep your tension fairly loose. Wrap it, go through that 1 stitch again, pull through, wrap it, through again, and wrap it 1 more time, and then through, and this time we're bringing the yarn through all those layers ideally. And you have your bobble. Before you continue on though, go back to this stitch, pull it through those 2 stitches, and then continue your chain, and I will do another one of those. So through this stitch, keep your tension loose, wrap it again, wrap it again, pull through 1 last time and wrap, and then we're going to go through and pull it through all the wraps. If I can get it. Yes. Okay, now again you'll go a stitch before, pull it through both those stitches, and continue with your chain stitch. So I hope this is somewhat helpful. I might do a better video on this in the future if you like it and find this confusing, but this was just kind of an experiment. So thank you for watching today, and have a great day. Bye-bye.